It just has the perfect formula for each finish. Hi guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. This week, I'm so excited to kick things off with the latest launch from Too Faced, their Pretty Rich collection. It is here and I am so excited. I pretty much need one of everything. Can we just take a moment for this packaging? Like, yes honey, it's so cute, so beautiful, so Too Faced. So getting into the products, we have the Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette. This one has a really nice mixture of formulas. So there are some mattes, some shimmers, and then also some glitter shades. So I use this pink glitter right here called Diamond Glitterati on my lids and I love the way it looks. It just has the perfect formula for each finish. Here we have Glow Job in Disco Glow. So this is actually a radiance boosting glitter face mask. You guys are gonna die when you see this because it's actually really cool. It actually has specks of glitter in it, so it's fun to use, but on top of that, it's gonna make your skin feel amazing. It really does leave your skin soft, smooth, and radiant, and it just gets rid of like tired, dull skin because it does have a quite exfoliating formula, and on top of that, it creates the perfect base for makeup. So your skin is gonna be makeup ready, and you're gonna have a beautiful little glitter face mask. And next up, we have the Diamond Highlighters. It does come in 3 different shades, and I'm wearing this guy, which is Canary Diamond. Boom, it's a really pretty gold shade, and it actually has reflexive pink, so you can see it on my skin right there. But these are awesome because you're actually gonna get a rainbow diamond fire glow. It's really, really beautiful. It just has a nice blendable formula, and because it is dual tone, it actually shifts with different light and movement into like 2 different tones. So like for example, the one that I wore is like gold and pink, and then there's also this shade over here, which is so cute. And by the way, the packaging, yes honeys, it comes in a box, but then inside is almost like a little diamond ring box. This is the shade Diamond Fire, super pretty as well. This one almost has a sheer holographic purple tint to it when you apply it onto the skin. It's really, really pretty. And again, I just think that the formula is so nice and blendable, and it is buildable, so you can get a really nice customized highlight. To go along with the highlighters, they came out with a brush too. So this is the Diamond Light Highlighting Brush. It has a really unique domed head so that you can get really precise highlighting. So when I use this, I kind of take it onto the high points of the face and then use the dome to blend out the edges, and it works really, really well. And there's also a new Better Than Sex in town. Love this packaging. It's called the Better Than Sex and Diamonds Mascara because it is the iconic formula that we all love that's gonna give you lots of volume and length and dimension. It comes in this cute little packaging with diamonds encrusted all over it. And there's also a really pretty collection of lip glosses, so keep an eye out for that. For me, I need to have this Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette from this collection, so let us know down in the comments which product from the Too Faced Pretty Rich collection would make you feel like $1,000,000. All right guys, so don't forget to tune in next week. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.